Now I am going to introduce here the types of essays that I have just told you before. Have a look. There are 5 different types of essays in IELTS writing tasks 2, which you have to understand and you should practice also. Types of essays. Let's go surfacely first. First one is opinion essay. The second one is advantage and disadvantage essay. Third, problem and solution essay. Fourth number, discussion essay. And the next number is, last number is 2-part essay. Now come in detail to understand. Opinion essay. This essay means you have to give your own opinion, right? And stand your opinion till the whole essay. Okay, if for example there have been given 2 opinions, 2 different opinions, and what you want to take opinion, either the former or the latter, the first view or the second. So in that, if you choose one opinion of you have to elaborate, you have to explain till the end of the essay your opinion. And what is your opinion? You have to mention it in introduction after paraphrasing, right? And you should make body 1, body 2. First idea to support the same opinion in body 1, in body 2, second idea to support your own opinion, and then conclusion, right? In conclusion, that is the summary of your essay. You can put I as the subject in opinion essay, and you should give example to support your opinion in your opinion essay. Now there is little difference between opinion essay and agree disagree essay. Now I have to clear you. In opinion essay you have to give your own opinion, but in agree disagree essay you have to write in introduction whether you are agree or disagree. You should mention in introduction. If you are agree, then you should write the second paragraph about why you are agree. Describe why you are agree. And in the second body paragraph, you should write why the other people are disagree. First paragraph is introduction. Second paragraph, main body 1 is you are agreed. You should explain why you are agreed. And next paragraph, why the other are against, why other people are disagree. And then conclusion, right? If you are disagree, write after introduction. And then why other people are agree, write after your next paragraph, and then conclusion. Okay, come to the next essay, advantage and disadvantage essay. The essay name is itself really good for you to understand. Advantage, disadvantage means we are going to talk about positive sides and the negative sides. That means pros and cons, right? So here you should introduce, means paraphrase the question, and then first paragraph advantage, second paragraph disadvantage, and then conclusion. If sometime question comes, do the advantage of outweigh its drawbacks? Drawback means negative sides. Then you should write, if advantage is a lot, make advantage 2 paragraph, or make advantage 1 paragraph but make some longer lines, and make a disadvantage a short paragraph. Clear now concept? So that means in advantage and disadvantage essay you should make 2 paragraph, 1 for advantage, next for disadvantage. Clear? And you should give the example to talk about advantage, to talk about disadvantage. Okay, now we go for the next, problem and solution essay. In problem and solution essay, that means very easy. There you have given a problem and you should find the solution. So in introduction you should paraphrase the question, then understand what is the problem. Always remember, the problem comes with the cause or reason. If you are hungry, that the problem is you are hungry, yes? So what is the cause? That you have not eaten any food. You have no money for this to buy food in market or somewhere else. So the problem you should find. After introduction, write problem, 1 paragraph. Give the examples to support the problem. And next paragraph, means third paragraph, is about solution. give the supporting elements, supporting ideas with example. How do you stop, how do you avoid, or how do you tackle the same problem, and then give conclusion. This paragraph takes four paragraphs. Look, this essay, opinion, advantage, disadvantage, problem and solution, can be four paragraphs only. Next, we go for discussion essay. In discussion essay, we should discuss in a particular topic. There can be given the two different groups, two different sides, right? And that is, it is also called discuss both view. Means here is given two views, and you should be neutral to support one and next. Okay, so what you do here, first you do introduction, paraphrase the question, and next body one, after introduction you should write about the first view, why people are in the favor of first view, give example to support only first view, right? Explain it. And now when you go for next paragraph, main body paragraph 2, you should explain second view, why other people support the second view, right? With example and explain it. If sometime asks your opinion, which view you like most, first or second, then you can choose one view from there and make a single short paragraph. If you don't have time, you can add your opinion with conclusion and make 4 paragraphs. But if you have some time left, make opinion paragraph short, 2-3 lines before conclusion. Clear concept now? We go for, this is also called the argumentative essay. We can debate here. Now we go for the last essay, is called two-part essay. In two-part essay, it is also called double question essay or direct question essay. In these questions, there can be given only one question mark, only one question after our statement. But in here, after one statement, there are 2 questions comes back to back. So when the question have given 2 questions back to back, always remember that is two-part or double question essay. So what you do here, do introduction first, next body 1 after introduction, mention the first question's answer, right? Give example to support the first question. Next paragraph, third paragraph, you should mention about the second question, give the answer with examples and provide last conclusion, and you should make your answer complete. So these are the essays which I have just informed you and have told about this essay in detail. Moreover, you should always focus with the sample answers. You can do yourself. Before doing, you can see my other videos where I have mentioned some essays also with examples. You can watch from there also. You will understand all the essays in detail. And remember one thing, most of students have the problem for time management. Time management. So how do you divide your time? This is time for 40 minutes you have, right? Okay, I want to give you time for 2 to 3 minutes time to read the question. Okay, this is for brain. Management of time in writing essay or writing letter is very important for your IELTS examination. Now I am here with you for discussing about the essay writing. So you should focus on these 3 parts of writing. Time management, you may have 40 minutes time. 2 to 5 minutes you can allocate to read question, means do the brainstorm, do your ideas generate, produce your ideas, understand what the essay type and what the essay is demanding from you. Next 25 to 30 minutes time you should use to write your essay, to compose your essay, okay? And the last 2 to 5 minutes again you should provide time, separate your time to edit or do proofreading. After completion of your essay, you should read your essay yourself, reread it, okay? And observe where the spelling is incorrect or punctuation marks. One thing you remember, unlike boarding school or colleges, in IELTS writing every word and spelling matters. because all the professional people, experts people are there to check your answers, and you should focus on all the words and sentence structure, punctuation marks like comma, full stop, don't use here in writing essay, don't use exclamation mark, because you can use most of the symbols, but exclamation mark to show the surprise, this symbol cannot be used because this is not used in the formal writing, right? So we cannot express the desire or our strong opinion or shock or anything. So always focus, these three things are important for management of your time. Have a good day. Thank you everyone.